Hi guys, this is Kaustubh Thakur. I'm a physiotherapist and a sports nutritionist. In today's video, we are going to be learning about a field test, a category, a genre of cardiovascular fitness test. And the name of the fitness test, the field test that we are going to be performing is known as beep test. It is a multi-stage fitness test, and we are going to be conducting indoors, but this can be conducted even in outdoors. Ideally, it should be done within the span of 20 meters, but if you know, and if you're going to be using the same arena, if you're going to be using the same distance, you can conduct it in a lesser or in a different distance protocol. The distance protocol that we are going to use here, owing to the space that we have, is going to be 18 meters. The ideal distance that you should be using is 20 meters, but it's okay if you have less or more distance that you want to do, and it's okay. Just make sure that you repeat the same distance when you do it the next time, so that you will be able to properly get the result whether your cardiovascular fitness has improved or not. Okay, so let's take it on the floor. Ready? Okay guys, so as you can see, what we have taken is, we have taken 18 meters. Ideally it should be around 20 meters, but that's okay because we are going to use the same protocol, same distance protocol each time we conduct the test. You can also vary the distance a little bit, but make sure that you have it recorded and you use the same distance protocol, that is the distance that you have used for the first time, to conduct this multi-stage fitness test. Again, the link for this, the YouTube link for this, I'm going to update with the video, so you can use the same link. All you need for this fitness test is space and a phone connected with the internet and headphones. Okay guys, so my friends here are going to be doing a demo fitness test for us, and they're going to be performing for us. So let's begin. Okay, so the instructions for this test, guys, the instructions for this test: before the beep, you have to cross the pylon, right? You cannot, once the beep is done and you have not crossed the pylon, that's it, that's your last stage, right? Okay, so we're going to start the stage, we're going to start the test. Okay, let's start the test.
Stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
Start level 1, 1.
Yes, cross it and stay there.
Level 1, 2.
Good.
Level 1, 3.
Good. Make sure you reach across the pylon before the beep.
Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8. Start level 3, 1. Level 3, 2. Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4. Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1.
Okay guys, another thing that you want to make sure, and this is very important, is that you keep the record of the data. That is very important, because only when you have the record, you will be able to see whether you are improving or not. So make sure you note it.
Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1. Level 5, 2. Level 5, 3. Level 5, 4.
Don't leave the pylon before the beep.
Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5, 8. Level 5, 9. Start level 6, 1. Level 6, 2. Level 6, 3.
Guys, you have to go quicker. You have to cross the pylon before the beep.
Level 6, 4.
Pylon before the beep. Before the beep.
Level 6, 5.
Before the beep. And you have to wait there for the beep.
Level 6, 6. Level 6, 7. Level 6, 8. Level 6, 9. Level 6, 10. Start level 7, 1. Level 7, 2.
Guys, you have to cross the pylon before the beep.
Level 7, 3.
Cross it before the beep.
Level 7, 4. Level 7, 5. Level 7, 6.
7 is a super level.
Level 7, 7. Level 7, 8. Level 7, 9. Level 7, 10. Start Level 8, 1. Level 8, 2. Level 8, 3. Level 8, 4. Level 8, 5. Level 8, 6. Level 8, 7. Level 8, 8. Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10. Level 8, 11.
Cross it before the beep.
Start Level 9, 1. Level 9, 2.
Last chance for you two. If you don't cross it before the beep, you're gone.
Level 9, 3. Level 9, 4. Level 9, 5. Level 9, 6. Level 9, 7. Level 9, 8. Level 9, 9. Level 9, 10. Level 9, 11.
Amazing.
Start Level 10, 1. Level 10, 2. Level 10, 3. Level 10, 4. Level 10, 5. Level 10, 6. Level 10, 7. Level 10, 8. Level 10, 9. Level 10, 10. Level 10, 11. Start Level 11, 1. Level 11, 2. Level 11, 3. Level 11, 4. Level 11, 5. Level 11, 6. Level 11, 7. Level 11, 8. Level 11, 9. Level 11, 10. Level 11, 11. Level 11, 12.
Excellent, buddy. Excellent.
Start Level 12, 1. Level 12, 2. Level 12, 3. Level 12, 4. Level 12, 5. Level 12, 6. Level 12, 7. Level 12, 8. Level 12, 9. Level 12, 10. Level 12, 11. Level 12, 12. Start level 13, 1. Level 13, 2. Level 13, 3. Level 13, 4. Level 13, 5.
Okay guys, so as you saw, Manish, my friend here, did the highest 13.2. Believe me, that's a good score. So it's not necessary for you to get such good scores from the day one, but if you begin somewhere, if you start somewhere, and if you will have a numerical representation of your fitness, not only you will be motivated, but you will have a goal and you will be able to have and direct your fitness in a more strategic sequence.